He takes the lead. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Continuum. Today we have Daniel here. We're gonna be doing a little head-to-head battle between me and Daniel out here at the creek today. Labor Day weekend. It's also hot. There's also some rather ominous clouds around, so we're sticking somewhat close to civilization. But we're just gonna get out here, get down in the creek, try to have a little challenge. We've got smallmouth, it's gonna be 3 points today. Largemouth, 2. Anything else is 1, unless you catch a creek chub, in which you lose a point, because we don't like creek chub. Now, we have the creek laid out before us. We're gonna hop in, get our feet cold, catch a fish. All right. We're switching it up a little bit. I know what you're thinking. Dylan's not gonna throw a Ned rig, but it is a Ned head. But I'm gonna throw this little crawl on it. A little bit of a lighter head. I'm gonna pop this on there. And hopefully catch some fish. I mean, I've done this. I've fished with this a lot with the Ned head.
I'm on. However, I think it's going to be a negative point.
Oh, no.
Nope, never mind. It's a little one.
What is it?
Well, ouch! If it will.
What is it? Use your words.
Well.
Losing or am I winning?
Oh, you're losing.
Oh.
You, sir, are definitely losing at this point. All right.
Oh,
No,
it's a
it's a
smalley.
smalley.
Oh no! We're down by 3.
Thank you, little guy. I think I can just sit down at this point and just take a break because Dylan's not gonna match that.
There we go. Ooh, good fish. What do we have? I think it's a largemouth. Shocking. Absolutely shocking, ladies and gentlemen. Dylan shows up to a cold water creek and immediately catches a largemouth. I'll take it because it's 2 points, but gosh dang it. What do I have to do to catch smallmouth consistently? I would be the guy that showed up to Lake St. Clair and caught a 2-pound largie. All right, on the board with a largie. It's 2 points. Still 1 down, but clawing back already. There's probably another one in this tree that Daniel just walked past. I'm gonna catch it too.
All right, Daniel, what's your strategy for today?
Well, to keep it simple, I've been being better than Dylan my entire life, so it shouldn't be that hard. So as long as I just stick doing what I'm doing, not change it up any, I think I'll be all right.
Okay. You got like a secret bait you're gonna use?
Everything.
Okay.
Yep.
You got a strategy for today?
Not a real strategy. It's more of a counter strategy. As long as I catch fish, I'm gonna win. The last time I fished with Daniel, I think that he missed somewhere in the neighborhood of 50 to 75 trout when we were at Bennett Springs.
Oh, no longer hooked up. I lost him because I didn't hook him. Dang. Missed it. Oh, heck. Well, I had one for a second.
So I'm just gonna let him kind of self-implode and then give me the win.
You're fishing a turd, aren't you?
I am.
Yeah.
Hot snakes.
Don't worry, we're on. It works. I now have 4 points. There's a bluegill with 3 hooks in its mouth. Let's not get spined. 4 points. Hey, I'm like that guy on YouTube who just drops every fish he catches.
I don't think it was. I mean, we're 2 or 3 clubs in now.
Pardon me. I'm just gonna keep catching perch.
I'm gonna get nickel and dimed to death. Somebody get this man a Zebco and a pack of worms.
Hey, if that's what helps me win, I'll take it. I do believe that's 6 points to your 2. Ah, this is my element.
Feels like a pretty good spot.
It does. Thank you, sir. Well, it still counts as 2 points.
No! No!
Yes!
I call absolute shenanigans.
I was like, oh my gosh, I've done it again. I've caught another largemouth. Nope, it's just a prominently lateral lined creek chub.
Meanwhile, Daniel has gained essentially
That was-
a smallmouth size
That's
lead on you.
that's like making a bogey and then the guy next to you running in a 30-footer for birdie.
Pretty much. While standing shoulder to shoulder. Daniel. Oh, disrespectful.
So sorry.
That should be minus a point.
I'm too busy laughing.
I'm gonna have to catch a couple of smallies at some point in time, otherwise this could
So
really be bad.
So here's the thing. I could have essentially 3 different strategies at this point. 1, I could put the pole down, and that way I don't risk catching a creek chub, and I don't think he can beat me. 2, every time he casts his line, I could cast mine over his. Or 3, just keep fishing and see what happens.
I like that strategy.
All right.
I hate that he came up with 3 strategies and only one of them had a shred of integrity to him. I don't think I want to go get that one.
Birds are impressive with how much they can get.
Okay.
You're gonna have to catch fish, or this is really gonna be an under 8.
Dang it!
No!
I have 6. And it's a tiny creek chub at that.
Howdy, little editor's note here. Daniel's wrong. He scored that largemouth for 1 point instead of 2 points, so it doesn't change the results of who won. If anything, it actually would have made it more interesting, but anyways, I'm not going to spoil it, but just know we're going to keep referencing a score that's wrong, so just go off the score at the bottom of the screen. Sorry, we can't do math. Back to it.
Dang it, that's another creek chub.
Oh no! We need he's coming backwards.
What are you?
Another creek chub?
Yep.
Indeed. Dadgum, Daniel.
I think I will not cast in that hole anymore.
I think I'm very glad that we came up with the creek chub rule.
Because now it's obtainable.
It does actually make it interesting.
You recording, Daniel?
Yes.
Okay.
Follow him.
Can I help you?
Nah, just trying to catch fish.
Okay.
Hey, where'd you cast?
Come here.
I thought you lost them.
Nope.
Oh,
And it's tied up, ladies and gentlemen. It is all square in the Thunderdome, baby. You see this?
What?
That's the fish that tied you.
Boom. Roasted.
Thank you, smallmouth. Tell your friends that I released you. Don't think he's gonna tell anybody.
All right, what are you thinking now, Daniel?
Honestly, I don't have much to say. I am losing at this point because I'm a better fisherman than Dylan. So, you know, honestly, I think the next creek chub I see, I'm just gonna cut my line and just call it a loss there.
All right, what do you think?
Well, I would like to say I'm surprised, but I'm not. Always been kind of a comeback kid, you know. Daniel got out to an early lead, but we've tied her back up. They actually called me fourth quarter Francois in high school, so.
What? Are you gonna reel this fish in? It's a smallmouth, by the way.
Yeah.
You're not recording, are you? Oh my god.
I'm gonna go with the amount of time it's taking him to figure it out with no.
Well, I got most of it.
Alright. The hook set wasn't on film, it doesn't count. Oh. Oh, come on, be a smallie. I think it is. It looks like a smallie. It's a good one too. Haha! I've done it. I've tied it back up. I'm gonna get a hook in my hand though. Oh yeah. There we go. Another smallmouth. Daniel is already encroaching on my position now that I've caught a fish. He's gonna come and try to cast right at it, but maybe I can get back in there before he does and catch another one. Okay.
What's the score now?
7-7.
Do we want to do first to 10?
But that could be one more fish.
I mean, it is.
In fact, it's that one.
No, we're not gonna do that.
Woohoo! I'm on a heater.
With smallmouth.
That's a big heater in this game.
I'm impressed.
I'm never on a smallmouth heater. There we go. All right. That is a lead. That is my first lead of the entire event. Right underneath Daniel's nose over there. The old June bug TRD getting it done.
I'm sorry, what color?
Nope, didn't say anything. No. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Gosh dang.
Dylan, we're tied up.
Well, I've just been informed from a distance. That man over there, we'll review the footage just to make sure, but he claims it's tied up. He apparently re-caught one of the smallmouth that I put back in there. I think a guy got DQ'd from the MLF for doing that, but...
Oh, man. Gosh, dang, I gotta stop doing that. That's a nice, pretty nice smallmouth.
There's a smallmouth right there. You're not a smallmouth, but you're a point. How does it feel to watch a point just slip away from you? Does it feel good to just watch a guy catch a green sunfish and take the lead?
That's 11.
Are you at 10? Yep. Then yes.
Hey, Dylan.
What?
That's gonna hurt. Because that's still 3 points.
Is that a micro smallmouth?
Oh
My goodness.
A smallmouth is a smallmouth.
It's got like sunfish spots almost. Wow. That's interesting.
Hey, I'll take it.
I'm thinking that's looking awfully rock bassish.
This one's a smallmouth.
Are you kidding me?
No way.
This will eat that fish.
Yes, it will, but that is a smallmouth.
Look at that.
That is a...
And I get 1 point, and it was my own stupid
don't
rule.
know.
I knew that rule was going to come back to bite me.
Anyways, that's 16 points, I believe.
12. It's my own rule. I can't dispute it. I'm the one that said 1 point. I should have made it 2. But I didn't. But maybe if I catch 12 of them. Oh! This one's got to be worth 4.
You might want to come right here. If you lose that, this is going to be heartbreaking. Bold move.
Hey, you're the one that says we need to boat flip more fish.
This is true.
Oh, baby. Yes, sir. Shockingly enough, somehow this only counts as the amount of points that Daniels did. Good one, right there. That's what I'm talking about. Hopefully there's about 3 more of those right there. Ah!
Solid. Has done it again.
Honestly, I don't have many words.
How are you catching so many of these?
I don't know. I've never caught one of these in my life. Oh, jeez. That's 19 points.
Unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna make it to the hole over there. This feels sunfishy.
turn of events.
An interesting gift.
I was not recording for that, but I am now.
Yeah. Give me a second, because his mouth is so small that I really don't know how he doubled over a Ned rig in there. And I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to get it out. I may need to borrow your hemostats.
If you kill him, you lose.
Oh, there we go.
Clutch.
She's like, nope.
All right, that puts me at 16, 17, 18. One back.
Yep.
We do probably need to set a time limit here because it's 7:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
We get
Just do power 10 minutes.
10 more minutes.
Let's do that.
So 7:40, do 12 minutes, 7:45.
I'll do it on the wall.
Okay, 7:45 is when we call it. It's a 1-point game.
When you're done.
Oh no. This is bad. This couldn't come at a worse time. Because I can't get to that. This just turned into something really, really bad.
Dylan's tying on the rebel crawl. Daniel's got to do a tactical GoPro battery switch. We are spending the last 10 minutes of fishing, not fishing. What do you think of this tactic, Daniel?
I kind of just think it's hilarious.
I wish I had another Ned rig. Be a fish. Be a fish. It's a fish. Oh, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He takes the lead. But it's not safe. I've got a 2-point lead. That means I am safe from the bluegill or the sunfish or the what are the other things? The little bass, the white ones that I can't think of right now because I'm panicking.
Largemouth?
No.
Rock bass?
Yes, that one. I'm safe from those. A largemouth could tie it up. Another micro smallmouth takes the lead from me. I need another fish.
You have 5 minutes and 18 seconds.
I can't panic though. I am panicking, but I have to not fully panic.
Never had it this far. We have never caught this many.
No, Dylan, you dumb, stupid idiot. Why would you ever sight fish a crankbait? Wait till you feel it.
Daniel, he's losing.
My bait's now spinning. Okay. I need that cast again. That wasn't it. Come on, give me one fish. Gosh dang it, that was the slowest minute of my life. Yes! Yes! Oh. What are you? Oh, this could be detrimental to your health, Daniel. It's a smallmouth, baby. Okay, okay. I am now out of reach of one fish.
You have 2 minutes.
Oh, that's too much time. That's too much time. That's too much time. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. I'm out of reach of one fish. He is gonna have to have multiple fish catches.
There's going to be contact on the last line.
Oh!
That might be the
Coffin meat nail, ladies and gentlemen.
A minute and a half, Daniel.
And I'm up by 7.
Has been.
This has turned into a battle. It's a good thing that this was a smallmouth, because I don't know that I'm going to get him off in the allotted time limit.
Who is it? Housekeeping.
Dude, that little teeny tiny treble hook on the front of this thing is just in him.
You have 40 seconds.
I'm just gonna keep walking so that you can't use my use.
There we go. That one put me up 7.
15.
Seconds?
Yep.
Watch me catch
9,
4 fish in 10
8,
seconds.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, just kidding.
Oh god, that actually got me. That got me pretty good.
Well,
What a absolutely pleasant match. Daniel, you know what?
Dylan, that was awesome.
Fantastic match. I probably wouldn't have shook your hand if I lost. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this has been me and Daniel's first head-to-head battle. Perhaps we'll be doing a little bit more of that. He's actually moved a little closer, so you may see him a little bit more. Scoreline does not depict how stressful that was, because with about, what, 4 or 5 minutes left, I was losing. I was down 1 and caught 3 back-to-back smallmouth on a last-second rebel craw after I broke a Ned rig off. So you could almost say that me breaking that off may have lost the match for Daniel.
More than likely.
But it's been a pretty good evening of catching some fish. If you enjoyed the head-to-head battle, the chaos, let us know. We can definitely do this more if we need to. We enjoy it. It's a good time. So thank you for watching this one. We'll catch you in the next one.